Hello guys, this is how to change your Facebook profile name. I'll be taking you step by step. All you have to do is just follow along with me. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. Let us go ahead and open up our Facebook app. So we'll go ahead and click on the three stripes on the top right corner to open up our menu. Then we're gonna scroll down, settings and privacy, click on that, click on settings. Here we're looking for the personal information and account. So we're going to keep on scrolling till we see that option. Keep scrolling. It doesn't seem to be here. So if you do not see that option right there, you can go ahead and search for it. So hit the little search icon and then search for personal information. That should pop up right there. And there we go. You can click on personal and account information. Click on name. And that's it right there. So you can change your first name, your middle name, and your last name. There is a disclaimer there. It says, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalizations, punctuation, characters, or random words. So it's that quick and it is that easy to change your name. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.